and welcome back to the channel. My name is Twitty and I talk all things fashion and luxury, and today I'm so excited because I have a Brandon Blackwood reveal, review, styling video, all of the above. But before we get into the bag, if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? If you love fashion and luxury, you're going to love it here. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bells, and just go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. So if you're not familiar with Brandon Blackwood, he is a black designer, handbag designer based in New York. And his bags have been blowing up. They are everywhere. I've been seeing them all on my timeline, on YouTube, everywhere. Like, people love these bags and I love them too. But I just, for some reason, I hadn't been on the website. I hadn't been looking for a bag, and so something just pulled me to his website one night, and I was browsing and I came upon the most gorgeous creative bag that I've seen in a minute, and I want to share that bag with you guys. But first, let's get into this packaging. Y'all, I love his packaging. This is actually my second time purchasing from Brandon Blackwood. I actually purchased the End Systemic Racism tote bag from him back in 2020. Now, at that time, the brand was a bit newer and they just didn't have the customer base and the volume that they have today. The packaging was a bit sparse. Things were totally different back then. So now fast forward to 2022 today, and he has completely blown up. And I love the fact that as he's continued to grow, the quality of his merchandise and his packaging has continued to grow. So his packaging has his branding all over it. It is very nice constructed materials. It's just amazing. I really enjoyed unboxing this bag, and especially since it was so different from what I unboxed in 2020. I was not expecting it, and I loved everything that came in the packaging and how delicate and how carefully they packaged everything. And of course, anytime there's a handwritten note, even though this note is printed, anytime there's a handwritten note, it just adds such a special touch, which I thought was amazing. So now let's get into the bag itself. This is the Brandon Blackwood Medina bag, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Now, again, I don't know what brought me to this bag or to the website in general. I was just browsing, but as soon as I saw this bag, I knew it had to be mine. I love the beautiful bright blue colors, and then the wooden beads on the bag was just like an amazing touch. It instantly reminded me of vacation and summertime, and I just thought it was a really cool bag. And then of course the color, I think it's so unique and different and something that you don't see, and it's something that catches your eye. So this is the bag. She retails for 150 USD, which I think is an amazing price because the leather is actually real lamb leather. And these days you don't see a lot of contemporary luxury brands using real leather. They're typically using vegan leather. And so I love that this is a full leather bag with real wooden beads, and the construction is just amazing. Best part is that I was not expecting this bag to be fully removable. Now, I don't know why I didn't realize this when browsing the website, but the pouch can actually be fully removed from the bag. So that essentially turns this one bag into 3 bags, okay? 3 bags for $150, you cannot beat. So I am just so excited because I love the bag as it already is, but then the fact that I can turn it into 3 different bags and wear it a few different ways, to me, that's even better. So that's why I wanted to create this video where I could style it for you guys. I'm actually gonna style it 4 ways so you guys can see how versatile this bag is and how you can wear it multiple different ways. So let's get into the styling. For the first style, I'm wearing the outfit that I have on right now. This top is absolutely beautiful. It's by Tracy Reese, which is another black designer, and I loved the color blocking in the top, and I thought it went really well with the bag, so I paired those two together. And then to keep it simple on the bottom, I just added a simple pair of white linen shorts from Express. Then for our second look, I have another top from Anthropologie, and I specifically chose this top because the straps actually have a really beautiful wooden detail on both sides, and I just thought that was so cool to pair with the wooden bag. And this is the second way that I'd wear the bag, and that's actually by removing the pouch and just wearing the wooden bag as is. We're seeing this trend a lot, especially with brands like Cult Gaia, which I love, where you have this exposed basket bag where people can see everything inside, and the bag is just very simplistic, and I love that. So I thought the wooden bag with the wooden straps on the top were super cute, and then I just paired it with another neutral pair of shorts. And then for the third look, I have this really cool bright extra dress from Nasty Gal, and I wanted to wear the pouch as simple as just a pouch. When I removed the pouch from the bag, it reminded me so much of Balenciaga's mini pouch bag, and that bag runs for over $1,000, and with this simple bag I can get the exact same look for a fraction of the price. Sign me up. I'm here for it all the way. So I love just wearing it as a little simple pouch, as a clutch, and I just think that's so cute and convenient. But here's the fourth way that I decided to wear it as well. So I was originally planning to wear this dress with my white Balenciaga Bistro bag, which I love so much. But one of the downsides of that bag is that it just flops open and everything falls out. So I loved the idea of being able to use the pouch inside the bag to not only keep all of my goods safe and secure, but it also added a pop of color, which is completely unexpected. So I really love that, and I think it really pulled the dress and the two colors together really well. Now this bag retails for $150 USD, and it also comes in two other colors. It comes in brown if the blue is not something that you're looking for or something that you think would go well into your wardrobe, but I really love the neutral brown as well. I think those are going to be very versatile, very easy for all year round, and then especially with the fact that you can wear the pouches in so many different ways, I think the brown will definitely go a very long way. All right, y'all, so that's all for this video and this review. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Please let me know in the comments what you thought about the styling and which way would be your favorite way to wear this bag. Also, let me know if you've shopped at Brandon Blackwood. This is really kind of like my first real-time shopping there, and I know for a fact I will be back because I just love the quality of the bag. I love the quality of the packaging and the whole experience. It was amazing. So let me know what you guys think about Brandon Blackwood in the comments below as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.